Hello and welcome to the class of AWS. So today in this class we are going to discuss about how to generate a key pair. So as in our last class we have discussed about the instances, how to create an instance. Now in today's class we are going to discuss that how do we create a key pair. So we have created one key pair over here. So we will create a new key pair. This is a key pair name. I have given a name as a key pair 1 with the fingerprint. So this is a fingerprint and this is a key pair name. Now whenever we require to create a key pair, so we have to define here a key pair name. Suppose I am giving a name as key telcoma. So then we have to create it. So this is a key. So with the name key telcoma.pem.txt. So this is PEM is the extension of this key. Here it is a beginning of RSA private key and here is the end of a private key. So we require to save this. So we have to give a name. Suppose I am saving this key to the downloads. So we have to save this key. Now this key is being saved. So in the downloads window we can see this key with the name of key telcoma. So now we have two keys, key pair 1 and key telcoma. So whenever we go to the services, suppose we are performing EC2. So here now we have two key pairs. We have one running instance, the instance that we have created with the instance ID, what is the type of the instance, what is the availability zone. This instance state will show that this instance is currently running. Now we have status check that it is initializing alarm and this is the public DNS. If we check out more details of this, so we have description with the instance ID, instance state running, availability zone, security group, AMI ID, key pair name, owner, launch time, termination, life cycle, monitoring, alarm status, virtualization, everything we can see in this with their public IP and DNS. Now in the status check, we can check alarm status, we can monitor, we can have or we can edit or give tags to this also. So this is now for connection. That means whenever we require to connect to an instance, that means how do we connect to an instance? So we have two options. Either we can connect with the standalone SSH client. So if we require to connect with standalone SSH client, we require to open SSH client. Then we have to locate private key. This is a private key that we have saved. Then it will automatically detects the key to launch the instance. Your key must be public available. Use this command. We have to use this command. We have to create a connect to an instance with the public DNS. Suppose we have an example. So this is the example. If we want to connect with SSH client. Now what happens if we want to connect with a Java SSH client directly from browser? So in this case we require a Java installed in the browser. So we require to enter the required information in the field like AWS automatic detects the key pair name. So public DNS. This is a public DNS of my instance. This is the username and this is the key pair. You need to enter the location and name of the .pem file containing your private key. So what is the location of the key pair? Suppose this is giving an example that in the C key pairs key pair 1.pem. So where I have stored this. So we have stored in the downloads folder. So like suppose I am giving a name. Here in the downloads, and now I have two keys, but with the key pair 1.pem, this is a key. We can store this in the browser and then we have to launch this SSH client. This is how we can connect to an instance. We have two options. We can use any option to connect with the instance. So thank you so much.